Okay. So we are finding variables in equivalent ratio. What does that mean? So if we have a ratio of 4 to 25, and we have an x over here, and we have this as a 125, we have to try and find out what is the variable. There's only one number that's going to fit into there and be correct. What do we do? Right, well, the first thing, and I did tell you this, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to write the ratios as fractions. Okay, very easy. You're going to take the first one in the ratio, and it's going to be the numerator. So the 4 will go on top. And then you will take the second one, and that will be the denominator. So your first fraction is what?
24.
Elizabeth?
4 over 25.
4 over 25. Now, let's take our second ratio. You're going to do the same thing. The first one is going to be your numerator. In this case, it's x. And your second number is going to be your denominator. Okay, now we have done step 1, which is write the ratios as, it's say fractions. Okay? Step 1, done. There are only 3 steps. Now, let's get the eraser. Let's get rid of these lines here. Let's not get rid of too much. Let's try again. Getting used to this new program. There we go. Okay. Yes. But unlike the smartboard software, which allows you to do things like by circling it and then hitting it in the middle, I have to do this individually. All right, now, step 2. Step 2 is very easy. Cross multiply. What does cross multiply mean? It means denominator to numerator, numerator to denominator. 25 times x, very simple. 25 x. Then we do 4 times 125. Larry, what is it?
So when we put 25x, do we have to multiply 25 times 25?
No, it's 25 times x. Being we don't know what number x is a variable, we just put it next to it. So 25, that means 25 times some number. X is some number. We don't know what that number is yet. Okay? So being we don't know what the number is, we can't multiply it, so we leave it there. That's really 25 times x. Got it? Now we do 4 times 125. Anybody want to attempt that one?
Wait, can I do mental math?
Do mental math. What's 4 times 100?
No, can I do it?
400.
This is mental math. What's 4?
Can I do mental math like 4 times 125?
If you can do it that way, that's fine. I'm trying to give you an easier way to do it.
Okay, I just want to try it this way.
Okay.
Wait, 1 second.
No.
104.
Khalees, getting any closer?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what is it?
It's 400, no, it's 500.
500. And how I was gonna show you how to do it, you know that 4 times 100 is 400, and 4 times 25 is 100. Add them together, it's 500. Now we have our last step. So we write the ratios as fractions, then we cross multiply, and the final step is to divide. D-I-V-I-D.
Divide one.
Divide. You want to leave x over here. We want to know, Larry, what is x? So to find out what x is, we're going to have to divide both sides by the number next to the variable. Larry, what's the number next to the variable?
25.
25. So we're going to divide both sides by 25. $25 divided by 25 is what, Larry?
1.
1. Beautiful. Anybody want to take a stab at what 500 divided by 25 is? Go ahead, Elizabeth.
20.
20. Okay? So that means that x equals 20. So when we rewrite the original ratios, it's 4:25 is equivalent to 20 to 125. And that checks out. There we go.